One who wrote that Post article. She joins us now. And Tara, do you think you went too far?
What I wrote is reflective of the women I spoke to in New York City who felt that she was a rich, elitist, privileged girl.
Well, I must add, I know Gwyneth, and I think she's actually very down to earth and actually one of the most genuine people I've met in Hollywood. So why are women bashing women?
I'm 100% for the empowerment of women, but I think that when Gwyneth Paltrow gives women unrealistic tips on how to live a great lifestyle, it makes them feel worse about themselves instead of empowering them.
Gwyneth turned heads again at Wednesday night's premiere of Marvel's Iron Man 3, going commando in the see-through gown by Antonio Berardi.
I forgot my underwear.
I don't think you can wear underwear in that.
No, true. On purpose.
But why all the backlash? Dr. Cooper Lawrence, author of The Cult of Celebrity, answers the question. Is it fair to pick on Gwyneth?
It's not fair because I don't think she means to come across condescending. I think that's just who she is, and she's trying to be honest.
And another attack is that Gwyneth got the title just for publicity, with Iron Man 3 coming out May the 3rd. A look back, 2011.